These are some of the tools you may need. These ones I use at home. If you have a sailmaker's needle or a carpet needle, you probably won't need to use the awl. But if you have an ordinary needle, then you probably will, especially if you're using a fairly heavy thread. I have scissors for cutting the thread, and this pad which I put on my hand to help me push needles through. Now this is called a housewife. This is my sewing kit I carry with me. I have beeswax and 3 different threads, all linen thread, more linen and more linen again, different sizes. I also carry sinew. Now if you're going to stitch with sinew, then you will need to use the awl, but you may not need to use a needle, as sinew is pretty stiff, and you can use the sinew as a needle and just sew it as it is, push it through the holes. But like I say, you will need an awl for that, so always carry an awl with you anyway if you're out in the woods. Beeswax is for waxing the thread. Makes it easier to handle. If you haven't got beeswax, you can use ordinary wax, paraffin wax, and if you haven't got that, do it without. Need a fair length to start off with, not too much. I don't carry scissors with me, I just use a knife. Beeswax the thread, just pinch it between thumb and wax. You can see it cuts into the wax a fair bit. Just do that one end there, and then we can turn it round, do the whole thing. Now we have to sew this inside out. So although this will be the outside, we start off when we sew it the other way around, the outside inside.